Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are delving into a popular and contemporary design trend, open concept house design. If you have ever wondered what open concept means, its advantages and how it can transform your living space, you are in the right place. So let's start our video. What is open concept design? First thing first, let's define open concept how design actually is. The open concept design is an architectural and interior design approach that eliminates or minimizes interior walls and partitions, creating a more open and interconnected living space. It is typically combines the kitchen, living rooms, and dining rooms into one expansive area. Now let's talk about the benefits of open concept design. Open concept layouts make space feel more spacious and less confident than absence of walls. Visual expands the area, making it ideal for smaller house. Promote social interaction with fewer barriers. Family members and guests can communicate more easily whether they are cooking, dining, or relaxing. Natural lights flow freely through the open space, creating brighter and more inviting atmosphere. Open concept allow for flexibility in furniture arrangement, making it easier to adopt your living space for different creative or events. Now let's explore some key design elements of open concepts home. Consistent flooring throughout the open areas help create a unfind a cohesive look. Choosing a harmonious color palette for our entire space tiles everything together. Designating functional zone within the open area like a kitchen island or statement pieces of furniture help define different spaces. Let's take a look at some real life example of open concept house design. Here we have a seamless connecting between the kitchen and living room, creating a perfect space for entering and family gathering. In the example, the dining area flow beautiful into the living space, enhancing the sense of togetherness. This loft style open concept design maximize vertical space and offer a contemporary urban feel. And there are you have it, a closer look at the open concept house design. It is a fantastic way to create a sense of openness